Halo guys, kembali lagi di channel YouTube Mr. Abi Gobi, channel tutorial mencukur untuk para pemula. Ya gimana guys, kabarnya guys gitu ya. Jadi sudah 1 bulan lebih saya ini guys, saya nggak upload video ya, kurang lebih 1 bulan ya. Ya jadi di video kali ini saya nggak ini guys, nggak menjelaskan dengan video green screen ataupun dengan panduan suara ya guys ya. Karena ini saya sempatkan untuk bikin video untuk kalian ya guys ya. Mungkin kalian yang sudah setia di channel saya mungkin menanti-nanti video updatean dari saya ya guys ya. Karena ini saya sempatkan, jadi ya untuk di video kali ini saya nggak menjelaskan mendetail. Jadi saya nggak menjelaskan sampai habis. Untuk seterusnya ini di video kali ini kalian simak aja ya guys ya, jangan di skip. Jangan dilompat-lompat supaya kalian tidak tertinggal dengan langkah demi langkahnya ya guys ya, di tahapannya, supaya kalian tidak tertinggal. Kalau kalian skip, kalian bakal ketinggalan tahapannya ya guys ya, nanti kalian bingung sendiri. Jadi di model rambut kali ini apa ya guys ya, kalau menurut saya ini kayak model rambut gantung, nggak tahu gantung apa ya. Ya mungkinnya dia maunya ya kayak ala-ala Korea gitu, cuman dia mintanya seperti ini. Jadi kalian saksikan aja guys, kalian simak aja sampai di hasil akhir ya guys ya. Oke, jadi saya cukup sampai di sini menjelaskannya gitu guys ya. Kalian simak aja guys. Oke guys.
Yeah, look at me, I'm the one. Really, I'm just having fun. Ayy, people be all in my DMs, but really, I know what they want. Yeah, I don't really want attention. Stop begging me for a mention. Ayy, I know I'm sounding conceited, but I'm just trying to cut the tension. Yeah, I'm breaking solace, I worry about mileage. I feel like I live on the road now. Night after night, I reverse it so tight, got me feeling like I am so cold now. Lately, I've been on the way. You know there's nothing to say. You told me I stay with the chain. Shorty, that's part of the pay. I'm something that you couldn't save. Look at the face of my peers. Told them to give me a mic in a year. Now I got fans living in Germany. Know that you heard of me. This is my year. They say that I'm changing and think that I care. Everything I do is bringing them fear. Everything I do is bringing them near. Doing it my way, I'm making it clear. I wrote this shit without revision, you know that I'm with it. I don't give a fuck about your vision. Can Michael the one that be winning? I've been on a mission cause I need a car with no limit. I'm breaking through every ceiling, so give me a moment and watch how I kill it. I do not care about the way that you started, I only care about the way I'ma finish. Cam.
In music, one doesn't make the end of a composition. If that was so, the best conductors would be those who played fastest. People go to concerts just to hear one crashing chord, cause that's the end.
Bitch, I'm done listening to what they've been saying. I'm about to cut off this filter cause I got something to say. And I took like 25 shots with some Red Bull, I'm faded. But they gon' tell people they knew me just as soon as I make it like this shit down. I don't wanna have no beef, I don't wanna pack no heat, goddamn. I'm about to grab that C, ain't nobody mad at me like, oh my god, I'm about to be tweaking like every night until I got a Grammy in hand. Everyone clapping and yes, I've been snapping, ain't waiting for someone to hand me a band. B.I.G. be the way I flex it, 319 for the way I'm dressing. Ain't nobody wanna talk about the way I'm in it, but they better get it talking with the way I exit. I so low, they'll hate my presence. I don't go when I say offensive. People been telling me I should do better, their eyes gon' roll cause I hate the message. Jogger,
Yeah, really I've been only focused on mine. I'm I'm blowing it all, trying to make it online. Look, I know that they hating on shit that I try. Hey, I'm leaving them all, ain't no place to rewind. I'm loving the way that you feeling my vibes, but I don't got time for the chase. Too much of a change, I go through a year and a week. You turn to a hoe in a day, keep up with the pace. Lady is falling in place, I'm keeping it locked in the safe. I've been in my lane, shorty you late with the motion. I'm leaving your tears in the rain.
What can happen healthily only if you don't try. But we have a strange anxiety in us that if we don't interfere, it won't happen. And that's the root of an enormous amount of trouble.